What do you know about the Basque language? Well, let me tell you something about it. It's spoken in this area over here, somewhere between France and Spain. If by chance you come and visit this area, you'll encounter signs, banners, and so on in the streets. Many will be written in Basque as well as in French or Spanish, and many company or institution names are Basque. I'll briefly tell you the most popular ones. For example, ASKO. It's actually a courier service company. Tracks are blue and letters are yellow, which are bent. This company is spread out Spain. Coipe. A man from the city of Donostia or San Sebastian created this company. It's a well-known brand which produces oil. As a matter of fact, Coipe means oil. Artua. You'll typically see this brand in shelves at supermarkets. Do you see here? See, maíz? Well, that's actually Spanish, but the brand name is a Basque word. That yes, you are right, it means corn. This is a kind of margarine made out of corn. So, if you want to say corn, that's Artua. Jaso. Jaso is a big company, though it's not a famous name. It builds both construction and industrial cranes. They are usually green, and guess what? Jaso means elevate. That's what cranes do, elevate, in order to build something. Eroski. Oh yes, Eroski is a big supermarket chain. It's not only located in the Basque area, but in Spain too, although its home base is in the Basque country. Eroski comes from two Basque words, erosi, buy, and toki, place. That's it. The name implies a place for buying things. Kukuxumusu. Where name, isn't it? Yep. Try repeating it. Well, it's in fact two things in one. Kukushu, flea, and musu, kiss. This brand is known for its funny designs. Many corporations choose the drawing for their own products. Loreak Mendian. It's a clothes brand. Loreak Mendian means flowers in the mountain. Lore, flower, and Mendi, mountain. Ikurriña. Have you ever seen this flag? It represents the Basque country. So, you know what? Ikur means symbol or sign. Lehendakari. You won't typically see these words in the street. You may see it in the papers or TV news. Lehendakari is how it's called the president of the Basque Autonomous Region. Lehen means first. Ertzaintza. This is how police is called in the Basque country in three provinces. Herri, country, zain, color. You could also see policia with Z, just in case foreigners like you do not remember what Ertzaintza means. Bildu, just in case you hear something about politics in the Basque country. Bildu is the name of a coalition. As Bildu means join, meet or get together is a proper name for something such as a coalition, don't you think? Eskerrik asko etortzeagatik. Well, this one I like it. In case you're somewhere in the Basque country, do not miss tabernas, gastronomy, and pinchos. Snacks you can pick up in tabernas. Yummy! By the way, jatetxe means restaurant. Have a look to the paper napkins. You will see these in many tabernas. Eskerrik asko etortzeagatik. What the heck does it mean? I'll translate it for you. Thank you for coming. There's an useful word here. Eskerrik asko. That's thank you. Please note, if you say to a native Basque, he or she will be delighted to hear it. I'll give you another easy word. Barkatu. That means sorry. You can combine it with French or Spanish. No problem. For example, Barkatu, ¿dónde está el hotel? Or Barkatu, ¿où est l'hôtel?